Preparing for the new school year, career and technical education teachers from across the district took part in a professional development workshop at the Technical College of the Low Countries Culinary Institute of the South,
as well as employability skills.
We're starting our school year with celebrating teaching and learning excellence to work with our career and technical education teachers, JROTC instructors, and our career development facilitators. It's an opportunity to come together, to share, collaborate, to look at best practices for their classrooms and their shop areas, and also to be able to network as to best practices.
Our goal is to teach them how to be a good person.
The teachers took part in several sessions discussing ways to support new teachers, instruction, and more.
In the past, we focused a lot on content and soft skills, but one of the issues that we really need to strengthen up in is that core instructional piece for our teachers to increase teaching and learning. And we realize a lot of our CTE teachers come from non-traditional backgrounds where they're really strong in content because they've worked in those areas professionally. So when they come over, the pedagogy is something we decided that really should be a focus area from this year and hopefully moving forward as well.
The educators really enjoy taking part in the informative sessions and working together for the upcoming school year.
Conferences like this really help us, one, collaborate as teachers, really kind of create those connections and see who's teaching similar content as me. The CTE department is so diverse, and to be able to connect with each other really sets the tone for the new year.
As a second-year teacher, I'm hoping to take with me the support system, those who I can contact when I need support, instructional strategies for CTE, career instructional strategies to help students become career ready as they move on to high school and prepare for college.
More than 100 educators took part in the one-day workshop. In Bluffton, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.